So welcome to my video. Today I'm at Gardners Falls at Maleny, which is situated on Sunshine Coast in the hinterland. I thought I would come and check out Gardners Falls today because of the massive amounts of rain we've had. And I wanted to see how full it was and how the falls were flowing. So let's go have a look. So I've made it back to the car now. It was a pretty good walk. There's not much rain, there's a little bit of mist, quite foggy. But yeah, overall quite nice. It feels like it's about 20 degrees, but it also feels quite humid. Now that we're finished, I've come back to the car. We're gonna go on another little adventure. So I'm gonna take you to somewhere that's not as well known to tourists. It has got a lot of history and there's a big story that goes along with it. And I'm looking forward to showing you and telling you a bit about the story. Let's go. So here we are at Little Rocky Creek Grinding Grooves. Little Rocky Creek is an important place for the Gubbi Gubbi people, which is the local tribe here. And they have grinding grooves which are made by many generations who have lived and looked after the land. And if you have a look on the sandstone bed when you come down to the creek, you'll see why. I was actually told a story once by somebody down here. Not just about the grooves where the axes and spearheads were being ground, but also some of the divots in the ground apparently were actually made by many generations of women having water births here. So apparently that's where the grooves are that look like little like people have been sitting there. Apparently women have actually given birth there, natural water births. Once again, because it's been raining a lot, it would be very interesting to see the condition of this place. I think it's going to be very, very slippery. Actually not sure if those grooves are going to be accessible today, but we'll try our best, hey? I mean, look at this place anyway, it's so beautiful. And this is just on the side of the road. We can tell why not many people will come here, because it's not very well signed. There's one sign on the side of the road, that's about it. Alright, I'm just going to take it easy. Woo. Yeah, so it's very slippery. Alright, so here we go. You can see here little grooves in the stone. Absolutely amazing, this place. So you can see many grooves there all over the place. There's also a waterfall down here that I want to show you. Hopefully it's not too slippery. I'll just go around this way. As you can see, there's a beautiful little waterfall in here. It's really nice to come down here for a picnic sometimes. You can actually get down this way, a bit more slippery. Yeah, nice little place here. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of those who have watched the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been raining for so long and I haven't really been able to get out and do much as far as vlogs go, so it's been a good day, and it's supposed to clear up for the next 5 days I think, so I might go out and do some kayaking, which will be good. Yep. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.